Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up Beehiiv newsletter for beginners and make money. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you have to sign up and create your account on Beehiiv website. Choose a plan that suits your needs. They often offer a free tier to start, and then just fill in your profile details and then just customize your newsletter. Use the platform's design tools to create a visually appealing newsletter, and then just build your subscriber list. Promote your newsletter on social media, your website, and other platforms. Create a sign up form and incentivize subscriptions with exclusive content or freebies. Engage with your audience by encouraging them to share the newsletter with their networks. The fourth step is to create quality content, and then you can just start monetizing your newsletter. So explore Beehiiv's monetization features such as subscription tiers, paid newsletters, or sponsorships. Consider offering premium content on exclusive access to paying subscribers. By following these steps, you can effectively set up your Beehiiv newsletter and start on your journey to monetization on your Beehiiv newsletter. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.